Alrighty, so this video is explaining how to use Essential Elements Interactive once you've already created your account. So there's another video, I'll put it in the link in the description, on how to create your account in Essential Elements Interactive. This is just showing you how to use it. So go to the website, you log in, I'll use mine. Password. If you forget it, I can reset it for you, or you can have it recovered. It'll take you here. If you have assignments, they'll be posted here, but we don't right now. If you just want to play around, you can go to the music studio. And in order to look at all of the songs, you can go view song list and hit show all. You now have access to every single exercise in your book. Let's go to, let's say, number 11. Okay, now there's a few things you need to understand here. This will change the tempo of whatever is accompanying you. So this is just the default tempo it's at, 100%. You can go all the way down to 80. You can even go faster if you want. And that will change the tempo of either the metronome, which is just a click track that goes at a specific tempo and doesn't change, or it will change the tempo of one of these many different accompanying tracks. To demo that, let's have just the metronome. This toggles the melody on and off. That the melody is what you would be playing, and this changes the instrument that it will be demonstrating it on. So let's say no melody for this time. We just want to hear the metronome. It's going to give you a count off. Lets you know, get ready, count off for 4. It'll wait. It'll give you 4 beats. Then boom. That's what you would play along with. Okay, let's hear what it sounds like with the flute accompanying us. 4 clicks. Ready and breathe. All right, so they have professional players for every single one of these instruments playing along with you. Now, my favorite part about Essential Elements Interactive is that you can play these with a variety of different backing tracks, which just makes it a little more lively while still keeping you in time with the music. Okay, now they're a little cheesy. Some of them are okay. Most of them are pretty cheesy, but it's at least more interesting. I find that this can be really good for especially brass players or flute players who are struggling to find what octave or what partial to play on. By hearing someone play it first, they know exactly how their part's going to go. If something's going too fast for them, let's say we're moving along too quickly in class, we can do country, or that doesn't matter, but we can lower the tempo here. Oh yeah, I know they got some twang in there. And they have these for every single exercise in the entire book, as well as for the Red Book. And the best part is this is all free that comes along with your book. I haven't tried the loop feature. We have done assignments in here before, and we may, and then you would record your part along with this. But for now, that is all we are going to go over. If you have any questions, let me know, and I would be happy to help. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.